Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and planting of some flowers that I ordered from Gilbert and Sons. And I've been gardening, me and my husband, for about 25 years. So if you like gardening videos, hope you would like to subscribe, stick around. And if you want to see what I do, show you what plants I'm unboxing, I'll be right back. Show you first how they package the plants. Really secure and nice. I've not seen this before, how they have it in the box. And so this first plant that I picked up, let me get it out of here. I probably shouldn't be trying to get it, take it out upside down. I just want to tear it up. I didn't bring any scissors out. Get it out from the bottom. This one is called Berry Smoothie Coral Bells. And see, hope you can see because it's still a little bit cloudy. Not really, but a little bit here. But look how pretty the leaves are. This is a shade-loving plant, so I think I'm going to try to plant it over where I have a few hostas under a tree over here, and I'll show you that in a minute. The next one that I got is called Lemon Love Coral Bells. So I don't know, this one I may put it in the same location, but from what I read about it, this gets about 30 inches or so wide, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to put it there, but that's the Lemon Coral Bells, Lemon Love Coral Bells. So let's see what this is. Oh, this is my Incrediball Hydrangea. It blooms white. It's supposed to get like 4 feet or something like that. But it's in a small container, so what I might do is plant it in a bigger pot, and when it gets big enough, transplant it into the hole that I have already. But this, you just see the leaves, the typical hydrangea leaves, wrapped very well. As you can see, incredible. So I got another pot for that already. This is my Showy Primrose. I had this before. It's all these are perennials. We did get a few annuals so far, and I'll show you those when I do another video in a little while on the spring garden update. I'm trying to get this out without damaging the plant. But it looks like I'm going to have to go on the bottom with this one too. Okay, we're going to get this out so you can see it. I won't show you both. I ended up getting, I think it had, I bought 2, but it was buy one, get one free, so I have 4. And This is what the leaves look like, but they have some really pretty pink flowers. This is Showy Primrose, and it's pink flowers. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay, I have a sedum collection here on the patio, and I thought I'd get one of these variegated ones to go with those. Let's see what this one is. I'll show you. Okay, this one is called Atlantis. See the variegation? What else? I'm not going to show you the primrose. Okay, I got 2 of these. I think it was, yeah, buy one get one free. This is the I believe it's the foxgloves. I had some foxgloves in my cutting garden, and it looks like only one survived, so I'm going to have to say foxgloves for me are annual, so I won't buy them anymore. But this is called Candy Mountain Foxglove, so I'm not sure. I'll have to look in the book to see what color. I'm thinking it might be pink. What else did I get? I got another fancy foxglove. Let's see if this is the same color, because they didn't tell you what colors they were going to be, because it was a random buy one get one free, and they picked the color. Okay. Yep, this is also Candy Mountain, so that's good. Let's see what this is. Another fancy foxglove. I won't open that one. Primrose. Another foxglove. And probably another primrose. And then the last thing I want to show you, well, 2 more things actually. This is, I put this in the bag here just because I wanted to water the roots a little bit, because it was a little dry looking when I received it, but the roots look great. This is a Daylily, and this one's called Bela Lugosi, and it has real dark purple bloom. So I can't wait to see how that goes. Let me get my last thing to show you. The last thing I got, 2 of these. There's 2 in a bag. It's Phasion Canna, and this one has like a orange and a gold and a variegated leaf, and I believe it blooms orange. So we'll see. So I'll be planting that today. And so that is all of my unboxing for the plants that I got from, let's see, yes, it's Gilbert H. and Son, Daylilies, Iris, and Peonies. They've been around since 1885. They have a website, and you can also go on and get a catalog. That's what I did, so I could look through and make a wish list, and then order half or less than what my wish list is. So I'll see you guys shortly. I'm going to be showing you how I plant these canna bulbs, and then I'll come back later with a spring tour of the yard and the gardens. See you guys on the next one.